Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to stop that annoying beep sound. So today what I'm gonna need is some masking tape. This is a cloth tape where I can rip it with my hands. A good torch to have a look at what you're doing. That's a very good torch, by the way. That's an attachment where I can swap from the ends of the torch. The buzzer for the annoying beep sound when it goes up and down is hidden behind the bumper there, and the way we are gonna access that is by actually popping my head under the car, looking up behind the bumper. So that's all I've pretty much done. I have a torch shining straight up in there, and let's go have a look at what's in there behind the bumper. Let's focus. That's your buzzer there. So what I'm going to do is just remove the connector to it. To do that, this is the push button here, the clip I mean. You simply want to squeeze the clip and pull it out. Let's do that. Just squeeze a bit hard to get it there. So squeeze this bit that way and pull it up. That's all it is. Now it's important because there are chances for water to get in there, hence the masking tape. I will close this off with the masking tape and tape it to stick a tape there so that it doesn't hang around there. Let's give it a test. So now I have closed off the tip neatly. I can show it here. There, that's the connector. I've really closed it up and I've actually stuck it onto the metal. Let's get some light. Onto the metal plate there. That's it. So there's nothing connected to the buzzer. All right, let's test it out. And open. And after doing this, I actually tested by turning on the car if there would be any warning lights, and there aren't any. So problem solved. There you go.